Welcome to this video. Falls are one of the most serious risks in care environments and often go unnoticed until it's too late. With Akuvox MR01, you can set up automatic fall and bed exit detection, so caregivers are alerted the moment something happens, without relying on the resident to call for help. Please note that it is not a medical device and is designed solely as an auxiliary aid, not for clinical or diagnostic use. In this video, we'll walk you through the full configuration. This video covers on-premise configuration, no Smart Plus cloud connection required. We'll go through 4 parts: configuring fall detection, bed exit detection, setting up the indoor monitor or guard phone to receive alarms, and a live feature demonstration. Before we begin, make sure the MR01 is physically installed, powered on, and connected to your local network. If you haven't installed the device yet, check the installation guide link below. Let's get started with basic fall detection configuration. This configuration works for any indoor environment where fall detection matters: bedrooms, living rooms, or shared care spaces. The first step is defining the detection space, the area MR01 will actively monitor. Getting this right ensures accurate detection and minimizes false alarms. Open a browser and enter the device's IP address. The default username and password are both admin. Go to Fall Settings, General Settings. Select the installation type that matches how MR01 is mounted in the room. Next, define the detection area by setting the left, right, bottom, and top boundaries to match the actual room dimensions. Set the maximum detection height to define how high the sensor monitors, then enter the installation height based on where MR01 is actually mounted. Enter a name for the installation location. This helps identify the device when managing multiple units. Ensure the configured detection area covers the actual activity area while avoiding unnecessary empty space. Submit the settings. Now let's set up subregions. Subregions let you fine-tune detection behavior within specific parts of the room. For example, applying stricter monitoring near the bed or excluding areas where false alarms are likely. Go to Fall Settings, then Subregions. Click Add to create a subregion. Give the region a name that's easy to identify. Select the region type. There are 4 options, each suited to a different part of the room. Custom is the general purpose type. It supports both fall and occupancy detection and works for most areas of the room. Door is used for entryways and also supports fall and occupancy detection. Bed is specifically for the sleeping area and enables bed exit and occupancy detection. Shield defines zones to exclude from detection, useful for areas like wardrobes or bathrooms where you don't want alerts triggered. For this demonstration, we'll use the custom type. Enable fall detection and occupancy detection based on your monitoring requirements. Define the subregion boundaries by setting the left, right, bottom, and top values. You can drag the quadrilateral edges directly on screen to adjust the area visually. Click Submit to apply the changes. Once saved, the room status section will display real-time results, showing personnel status and the current state of each configured region on the information page. You can also fine-tune how MR01 identifies and reports fall events. These optional settings help reduce false alarms and give you control over response timing. Go to Fall Settings, General Settings, Fall Detection Settings. Set the fall confirmation time. This defines how long a fall posture must be sustained before the system confirms it as a real fall event and triggers an alarm, helping to filter out brief, accidental movements. Set the fall delay reporting time. Once a fall is confirmed, the system waits for this duration before sending the alert to the indoor units, giving the resident a moment to self-recover before escalating. Remember to save the settings. Now for Part 2, Bed Exit Detection. The overall setup is the same as what we covered in Part 1, so if you've completed that, you're most of the way there. In this section, we'll focus on what's different, configuring a bed type subregion. Click Add to create a new subregion for the bed area. Set the region type to bed. Enable in-bed detection so the system can track whether the resident is in bed. Set the bed exit time threshold. If the resident remains away from the bed for longer than this duration, the system triggers and reports an alarm, helping caregivers respond to nighttime wandering or unexpected absence. If you only need bed exit monitoring during certain hours, such as overnight, enable schedule and set the start time and end time accordingly. Confirm the setting and submit. In Part 3, we'll make sure your indoor monitor or guard phone actually receives the alarms. For on-premise setups, both the MR01 and the receiving device need to be assigned the same network node. Log in to the indoor monitor or guard phone's web interface. Go to Network, Advanced, Connect setting. Set the same device node for both the MR01 and the indoor monitor or guard phone. This ensures alarm signals are routed correctly between devices. Submit the settings. With everything configured, let's see the full workflow in action. When a fall or bed exit event is detected, MR01 immediately sounds an alarm and flashes its red indicator light, providing a clear on-device signal. At the same time, the indoor monitor or guard phone sounds an alert and displays a notification on screen, so caregivers are informed right away, wherever they are in the facility. You can press the button on the top of the MR01 to clear the alarm, or resolve it on the indoor monitor or guard phone. Thanks for watching.